Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be talking about the two main areas where the Amazon interviewers quiz you. So first one is leadership principles. Usually we think it will be some minor box ticking exercise, but no, they really care about this, and you have to have answers ready before itself, and they have to be in star method. So have examples for each of the principles where you can show how you have exhibited the leadership principle in your career. Find two example for each if you can. And the next point is technical proficiency. So if you are interviewing for a cloud support engineer role, then you'll have to have a basic knowledge of networking and Linux and OS and storage. And if you're interviewing for a software development engineer, then you'll have to have good knowledge of DSA and problem solving and all that. Don't stress too much. Honestly, the quality of most of the candidates uh, the interviewers see is pretty poor. So if you can come up with basic answers also, then you're doing good. So if they're asking a question about something you've done in the past, what they're really doing is trying to get evidence that you've shown a specific leadership principle in your past experience or not. They are not allowed to ask directly, tell me when you shown this leadership principle like customer obsession. So instead they have these questions. So that's what they have to fill out, that you showed this leadership principle in your experience or not.